Welcome back to Throttle Vortex, the 2027 BMW Hyper Motorhome, where technology meets power. Like and subscribe for more powerful reviews. With an estimated global price tag reaching an astronomical $3 million, this monumental double-deck land yacht redefines grand touring, luxury, and engineering dominance on a truly colossal global scale, commanding immediate respect on any boulevard or highway. Its premium exterior design showcases a bold two-story stature wrapped in smooth metallic silver, featuring an iconic oversized BMW illuminated kidney grille flanked by sharp adaptive laser headlights. Every line of its aerodynamic styling has been meticulously sculptured to channel air effortlessly around its massive frame, utilizing active side skirts, flush glass panels, and active air curtains that dramatically diminish drag despite its formidable presence. Step inside, and you are instantly enveloped by unprecedented interior luxury, where handcrafted merino leather, open-pore, dark oak trim, ambient starlight ceilings, and massive panoramic windows turn every journey into a private sanctuary. The seating comfort is second to none, featuring multi-contour executive lounge recliners equipped with heated massage functions, deployable footrests, personal climate zones, and acoustic soundproof insulation that completely isolates passengers from the outside world. At the heart of the futuristic cockpit lies an advanced dashboard layout anchored by a curved dual-display digital glass cockpit that seamlessly merges the driver instrument cluster with an expansive central monitor, surrounded by haptic touch controls and genuine brushed aluminum accents. Powering the entire onboard digital ecosystem is BMW's flagship iDrive infotainment system, equipped with satellite connectivity, artificial intelligence voice command, an immersive Bowers and Wilkins surround sound setup, and individual high-definition screens for every seating section. Beneath its sleek outer shell slumbers an elite hybrid powertrain capable of delivering an astonishing 800 horsepower, giving this gigantic machine an effortless sense of speed and acceleration feel that glides forward with instant electric torque before engaging its twin-turbo engine for high-speed cruising. The driving comfort is nothing short of phenomenal, supported by an intelligent active air suspension system that continuously scans the road surface, neutralizing bumps and maintaining flawless balance through sharp curves. Safety remains absolute, engineered with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies, including hands-free highway pilot, automated emergency braking, thermal night vision, full perimeter camera surveillance, and predictive collision avoidance designed specifically for heavy vehicle dynamics. In terms of efficiency, this state-of-the-art hybrid setup delivers an all-electric range of up to 50 miles for zero-emission urban commuting, complemented by an overall combined range exceeding 600 miles on long-distance journeys. The overall driving experience is remarkably smooth across all international environments, effortlessly adapting, whether maneuvering through tight city streets, sweeping along scenic coastal highways, or cruising effortlessly on endless interstate freeways. From the alpine passes of Switzerland to the wide-open highways of North America, this machine offers total command and serene tranquility. Inside, the upper lounge level provides elevated observation seating, while the lower floor accommodates a fully integrated gourmet kitchen, an elegant dining area, and a master bedroom suite with an en-suite bathroom. Adaptive smart glass technology allows occupants to alter window tinting at the touch of a button, ensuring complete privacy whenever desired. Thermal regulation systems keep the cabin perfectly comfortable in freezing mountain climates or scorching desert heat. The exterior aerodynamic profile is further enhanced by lightweight carbon-composite body panels, reducing total mass while maximizing structural rigidity. Advanced rear-wheel steering grants this impressive motorhome an unexpectedly nimble turning radius, making city parking and low-speed maneuvers remarkably simple for the driver. Solar panels seamlessly embedded into the roof generate clean auxiliary power to run residential systems off-grid without starting the main engine. Precision craftsmanship shines through every single component, establishing a new benchmark for elite mobile living. Whether embarked on a transcontinental road trip or parked at a luxury resort, it turns heads everywhere. Drivers enjoy command position, visibility, elevated safety, and instant power. Passengers experience 5-star hospitality on wheels. This ultimate land yacht represents the future of luxury travel, blending high performance, extreme comfort, and cutting-edge technology into one unforgettable engineering masterpiece. On the wide open road forever.